Hey guys, so today's video I'm going to be teaching you how to make these carrot cake cinnamon rolls. I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you do, make sure to give it a thumbs up before you go, and please subscribe to my channel. Also make sure to follow me on my Instagram and my TikTok at Sweettoothmunchies. That will be linked in the description along with the original recipe link for this video. Firstly, in a medium-sized bowl, you want to add your warm water and your yeast along with your sugar, and you just want to mix this until combined and let it sit for around 10 minutes. And you know your yeast is working if it puffs up like it does here after the 10 minutes. Then you want to add in your sugar, your milk, and your egg, and you just want to whisk this together until the ingredients come together. For your dry ingredients, in a medium-sized bowl, you want to whisk together your flour, your salt, and your cinnamon. Now you want to take 1 cup out of the flour mixture you just whisked and then add that to your wet ingredients, and you just want to use a dough attachment to mix this until it comes together. Then you want to add 1/2 cup from the flour that we whisked together earlier, and then add in some shredded carrots, and you want to mix this together. Then you want to slowly add in your softened butter. And add the rest of the flour mixture that you have left over sitting in your bowl, and you just want to use a spatula to mix this together along with your hands. And after you mix this all together, if you find the dough is still a bit sticky, then just add a little bit more flour. That's what I had to do, and yeah, it turned out fine. Once you finish kneading your dough, you want to place it into a large greased bowl, and then you want to cover it with some plastic wrap and set it aside in a warm area for an hour so it doubles up in size. Once your dough has doubled in size, we can now start on making the cinnamon sugar mixture. In a small bowl, you want to add your sugar, your cinnamon, your brown sugar, and a pinch of salt, and you just want to whisk this until combined. Once your dough has risen, you just want to pinch it down and add it to a flour surface to roll it out in kind of a rectangle/square shape. Now you want to cover your rolled out dough with some softened butter, and then you want to sprinkle on your cinnamon sugar mixture that we made earlier on top of this, and then roll it up. By the way, I did measure the original measurements in half, so this is half of the recipe. If you guys want the full one, make sure to check the link in the description to take you there so you guys can make a bigger batch if you guys want to, but I'm going to make a smaller one, so I just use half. So for the half of the recipe, I'm using a 8-inch square baking pan. And I just covered the bottom of my pan with parchment paper. You don't have to if you don't want to, but that just makes things a little easier. And I also grease the sides with a little bit of oil just so, you know, when the cinnamon rolls pop up, they don't stick. But once you've added your cinnamon rolls to your pan, you just want to cover with plastic wrap and let it rise for another 45 minutes. 45 minutes later, you want to have your oven set at 350 degrees Fahrenheit, so these can bake in the oven for around 20 to 25 minutes. Moving on to the frosting, in a medium-sized bowl, you want to add in your room temperature cream cheese and your room temperature butter, and you just want to whisk this together until it's nice and smooth. Then you want to add in your vanilla extract, your powdered sugar, your brown sugar, and a pinch of salt, and you just want to mix this together until it's nice and smooth. And if you want, you can just spread the icing over all of the rolls, but you know, everyone in my house eats the icing, so I just did it individually. So yeah, I just took mine out individually and then add the icing on. And let me tell you guys, these rolls are so good. They were 800 times better than I thought they would be. I highly, highly, highly recommend you guys try them out. As usual, the original recipe link will be in the description. I really recommend you guys check it out. Definitely a 10 out of 10 recipe, and definitely something I would definitely make again. But yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up before you go, and please subscribe to my channel. Also, let me know in the comments if you guys end up trying out this recipe and how you liked it, and I'll see you guys next week with a new video. Bye guys!